Good morning, everybody, and welcome to... I don't have my song ready. I'm so bummed. Hold on. I thought I had it queued up. Well, it happens. It does happen. Um, where'd I go? Yes, my power is back. All right. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to... And with that fine song by a Canadian band, soon to be named one of these days. You heard it here first. Welcome to Option Pit. Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of Option Pit, filling in for Mark this morning on his morning volatility report. But before we report our event for this weekend, okay, just 77 bucks. It is going to sell out, which is pretty nice. Using volatility to help your directional option trading. Okay, 150 minutes. And we hope you will like it. We're finishing writing it as we speak because we like fitting what's going on to what's going on today. So again, if you're an Option Pit Live member, subscriber, or above, you get this for free. Yes. Even if you're a subscriber to Option Pit, we give you more goodies during the year. We'll be running somewhere between 4 to 6 of these webinars, maybe more. As the year progresses. So they've been very popular, and plus we love giving our clients new content depending on what's going on with the market. And with that, what do we got? Whoopsie, I don't want this one. I don't want this one. That's a little bit of skew work with our platinum class this morning. I want this one. Everybody's happy. The Republicans won. Whatever, right? We're rallying. ADP number pretty good. And then not so happy. Less happy, let's say. VIX, woo! And then rally. Let's see some options. Okay. Do. Come on, data. Come on, data. That's what happens when I try to upload videos at the same time. I get no data. That's what I get also for having double the bandwidth. I get nothing for it. Let's try again. Come on. All right. There we go. Oh. Bottlenecks, I know. My computer, I don't know why. It's internet, trying to fix it, whatever. Vol starting to drop. Vol starting to drop. Okay. See all this? Starting to look like a mirage. 14 handle. All right, let's see if we can challenge that this week after the ADP number. Okay, this vol is slowly easing off. Okay, this 20-day vol is still reflective of all this action here because clearly we're not seeing as much now. Okay, whatever was causing this, for at least for right now, nobody's thinking about it anymore. We could see, as we've seen even last year, it doesn't have to be great, just some sort of rally into the new year, Christmas, happy, all those people that sat on the sidelines, blah, 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 blah. Okay, what we are seeing today, though, is that rally we had in the morning is not holding up. Okay, our little move in VIX is not holding up. If we look at our little tick chart, which I was just looking here before we started, again, if we just do a one-day quickie tick chart here, it's just starting to inch up again a little bit. We might have a little buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay, we have good employment numbers, you know, but same weakness in Europe, things like that. And of course, you got some people elected, but they also have to do something at this point. So I would not be surprised, right? We back off a little bit and then maybe rally during the day, but again, not huge. So what I think mostly what I want to look for is a relaxation in volatility and vol, and I want it to continue all day long. Okay, that could help us to possibly lower numbers. Okay, but again, with the vol products and vol futures, they still can't quite get to these lows. Okay, we've got a market close to all-time highs here, and we can't get to these lower numbers, right? We traded, I think the S&P 500 is trading at an all-time high currently, and we can't get to these numbers. I'll feel happier, a little bit more happy about a sustained rally if we can get to that, if we can see that. All right. And if the vol continues to drop, especially in the vol products here, like in VXX, it's still at, again, fairly elevated levels. If we just look here, again, it's not here, okay? That was excitingville. But even this level for the rest of the year wasn't a bad level. So there's plenty of room for volatility to come down. So the market has essentially, we might be trading at all-time highs, but they're not ready to pull the plug on the realized vol just yet. Okay, the action in gold and oil. Gold is freaking everybody out. I don't know if it's freaking me out, but it's continuing to drop. And I don't know about if anybody remembers the 1990s when the price of oil was like $2 a gallon or $1.50 a gallon to fill up your car. Stocks did nothing but go straight up. So again, that was the internet boom. We have a lot of the economy, or a little bit more now, is based on, or a good chunk now is the boom we've had is on pulling oil out of the ground. And I think it's $79 a barrel, even 75, 70. They're still going to be doing that. So what we have is a market that can't quite believe where we are yet. And that's what we've got. All right. So we're going to probably keep the same types of trades going in our strategy letter. I like the idea of maybe possibly selling a little Vega. Don't sell too much Gamma, and basically, and again, keep control of the risk. I'd like to see this vol really pitch down, and it just can't quite do it yet. Okay, it's not quite ready to give it up, and it's not ready to give it up to these lower levels at least. That doesn't mean it can't after Friday when you get a payroll number, but it's not quite there yet. All right, and I think the positions should sort of reflect that. All right, everybody, we will talk to you in the chat soon. And also, we are taking people for our winter platinum classes. We just had one platinum series was finished, and we're starting to take candidates for our winter platinum series, which will start in January. Sign up this week if you're interested. We also have lots of clients you can talk to about our platinum series, and you might be able to squeeze a decent deal out of Mark on it. All right? All right, everybody, have a good day, and we'll be talking to you soon and hopefully seeing you in the webinar this Saturday morning. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.